Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another journal for Feb 13, 2024. For my health talk, I was feeling well yesterday, Alhamdulillah, and for my rate my day, I'm going to give it a 4 star. I don't even feel like doing voiceover today, but I have to do it because it's my work, it's my passion, and my feelings won't matter in front of my passion. For my anxiety tracker, I had a medium anxiety yesterday, and for my dream tracker, I don't remember my dream. For the weather tracker, it was sunny yesterday, and for my stress log, I had a no stress, alhamdulillah. For the sleep tracker, I sleep between 8 to 10 hours, 9 hours, and for my rate my sleep, I'm going to give it a 5 star. For my reading tracker, I read 12 pages, so I'm going to mark it between 10 to 12. And for my reading tracker shelf, it's going to be empty. For my years in pixels, it was a stress day. For my 1,000 hours outside, I remain 1 to 2 hours, like 1 hour and 5 minutes. And for my water tracker, I drink around 8 glass of water. And for my day spent, it was both indoor and outdoor. For my meal tracker, I do an overeating yesterday. And for my spiritual log, I say one, and that is tasbih. And for my painting tracker, it was not a dedicated day. For the walk tracker, I walk around 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And for the book tracker, it was no, I haven't started to write it yet. For the YouTube tracker, I posted a video on YouTube. For the Instagram tracker, I posted a post on Instagram. And for the TikTok tracker, I posted a video too on TikTok. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.